The RollerFORM phased array wheel probe from Olympus is designed for 0-degree C-scan inspection of aerospace composites, aluminum panels, and wind turbine blades to measure thickness and material loss and detect and size delamination and disbonds and detect and quantify internal porosity. Combined with the OmniScan SX, MX2, or X3 flaw detector, the Olympus RollerFORM scanner is an affordable, easy-to-implement portable alternative to immersion tank and through transmission inspection systems for flat, convex, or narrow surfaces. The acoustic tire contains the phased array probe and creates a 25mm delay line in water for smooth scanning and optimized C-scan inspection of composite components. Key features include swappable 1, 3.5, and 5 MHz Olympus phased array probes. Two models are available. The original RollerFORM scanner's 64-element probe provides a beam coverage of up to 51 mm, and the RollerFORM XL scanner's 128-element probe provides up to 128 mm of coverage. A low attenuation, impedance-matched transparent tire for probe coupling allows fast, efficient C-scan acquisition with only a mist of water. Transparent tire material lets you see any bubbles, which can be cleared quickly through the bubble trap on one side. Waterproof integrated quadrature encoder, integrated laser guide for precision line scanning, integrated button on the scanner handle for raster scan indexing or clicker function. Integrated programmable button on the scanner handle for start acquisition, save data, pause resume, or preset encoder. Integrated cable management and umbilical cover. Height adjustable middle wheel and skid plate for stabilization when scanning narrow or curved components. The Olympus RollerFORM scanner can be used with any OmniScan SX, MX2, and X3 phased array instrument, while the RollerFORM XL scanner can be used with the 128-element OmniScan MX2 and X3 flaw detectors. The RollerFORM encoder is connected to the instrument with a waterproof industrial-grade LEMO connector. The RollerFORM phased array probe is connected to the instrument with a quick latch connector. It is auto-detected by the OmniScan flaw detector, which will update the phased array configuration for the installed probe. Load the pre-configured setup file provided with the RollerFORM unit by selecting the correct model. Configure the UT and gate parameters for the C-scan inspection that will change with a different probe, material, or thickness. Alternatively, the scanning parameters can be quickly set up using the OmniScan X3 flaw detector's onboard scanner library. The RollerFORM inspection is configured for either a single one-line scan using only the scanner's encoder, or a two-axis raster scan, using the encoder and button on the RollerFORM handle to automatically index multiple line scans. Define the area of the inspection in the Scan Area menu in each axis. The index axis is controlled by the button on the RollerFORM handle and is configured for the width of the probe plus any overlap as desired. This parameter is also a function of the phased array setup and is auto-calculated by the software. Prior to inspection, the RollerFORM scanner's acoustic tire must be filled with water and free of bubbles. Distilled, desalinized water is best, and it is highly recommended that the water chamber be filled the day prior to inspection to allow the water to degas and saturate the tire material. Open the out valve and insert the water feed tube over the in valve. Pump water slowly with the out valve at the highest position until the tire is filled. Tap or squeeze the tire gently while moving the RollerFORM scanner side to side to clear bubbles. Any bubbles present after the tire is initially cleared can be removed by the bubble trap on the right side of the tire assembly. The water chamber is filled properly when there is a gap of approximately 2 mm between the plastic wheel and the component's surface while no pressure is being applied to the RollerFORM handle. Adjust the middle wheel and lock into place to conform the RollerFORM to the component's surface if required. This enables the inspector to apply pressure without distorting the tire. Pre-wet the RollerFORM tire thoroughly and apply light water with a spray bottle over the area to be inspected. Make any adjustments to the phased array or UT configuration and save the setup file. Position the scanner at the start of the inspection and press the Start Acquisition button. The Start Acquisition button on the RollerFORM handle is programmable and by default will clear the C-scan and preset the encoders. Roll the RollerFORM to the end of the first line scan. Press the indexer button on the RollerFORM to preset the encoder to the next line scan position. The raster scan is configured for either a series of one-line scans in the same direction or scanning back and forth to complete the C-scan. When the inspection is complete, select Pause. Review the C-scan and save the data file. The data can now be analyzed on the OmniScan flaw detector or on a computer using OmniPC or WeldSight software.